Hi there, folks. Another cloudy and cool day today as our winter goes on. It seems like whenever I see you at 4, 5, and 6, and I'll show you the temperature that starts with a 6. 61 degrees at the beach right now. We will get into the 70s, maybe low 80s inland tomorrow. But then cool air comes back, and both weekend days will be in the 60s. Downtown Tampa Camp, looking out over Hillsborough Bay. 63 degrees, light northeast wind at 7. Going to show you a whole bunch of camp. I tell you, back in the weather office, I go, what can we be? How about Moose Jaw? What a great spot. Check out that intersection. 17 degrees below zero. And all of that cold air is poised to spill into the continental United States. And some of it, I mean, it's going to take the scenic route to get here. We're going to get pretty chilly in about 5 to 6 days. And I'm talking lows 30s and 40s, and then highs in the 50s middle of next week. Live in Moose Jaw, great view. How about Minneapolis? 14 degrees. They're getting set for a lot of snow. Big snowstorm for the big Iowa caucus on Monday. Des Moines could pick up 4 to 8 inches of snow with temperatures in the teens, single digits. Drought index updated every Thursday morning. You know what? Good news. The extreme drought area has shrunk. In fact, the overall drought area has shrunk a little bit. And this does not, the data that was released today is not from Tuesday afternoon and night. That's when the cold front went by. And there's more rain coming, I think, Monday and Tuesday of this week. So I think this will continue to shrink as El Nino does its thing and kind of helps with the drought situation, even in the winter. Boy, subtropical jet still in play. You can see it's the high-level clouds kind of following along the jet stream and all blowing southwest to northeast. Sometimes things are pretty benign, but when you get a jet stream nearby, it's kind of like living near a train track. Most of the time, it's quiet. You don't hear much. Then a big train goes by, gets noisy, everything shakes. That's what it's like to have a jet stream kind of near you, because once in a while it becomes active and it causes some issues. Rain increasing in Sarasota County. Light rain, Sarasota, almost to Venice, Northport, Englewood. There'll be areas of light rain tonight. This is simply the cold front that produces severe weather going back north as a warm front. And then late tomorrow and tomorrow night, a cold front heads our way from the Gulf of Mexico. Weather headlines. Very active El Nino pattern continues. Multiple fronts in the area, meaning more rain, a surge of colder weather middle of next week. Non-stop action. 50s and 60s right now. Clouds and rain down by Miami. Here's the big storm getting set to get cranked up in the nation's heartland. It's going to be a huge mess and then move to the east. They may, for the first time in a long time, could have blizzard warnings issued for Chicago. Been a few years since we've seen that. Future temps tomorrow morning, low 60s. Now, tomorrow during the day, it turns warm and humid with a developing south wind and gusty. And then late in the day, a cold front approaches from the northwest. Couple showers and storms, and then much cooler over the weekend. I do think that most, if not all, of the weekend is going to end up being rain-free. Rain chances go back up Monday and Tuesday. So looking ahead, warm front moving north tonight. Showers, maybe a thunderstorm late. Cold front moves across the Gulf tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. Line of showers and storms. That'll move by, and then we're kind of stuck with clouds, maybe a little light rain south of us, and then more energy coming our way Monday into Tuesday. The severe risk on Friday, highest well to our north. Marginal risk around Tampa Bay and most of Florida, at least south of the Panhandle, south of Gainesville. That means 1 or 2 of the storms with the cold front could be strong, maybe severe. Not a huge severe weather outbreak. Some light rain, cool tonight, 59. Tomorrow, breezy, warmer, humid. A few shower storms. Cold front goes by tomorrow night. Back to cool weather. On Saturday, low 60s for a high. Rain chances go up. It's tough to say this early, but maybe some rain for the Bucs game Monday night. Then the chill arrives Wednesday and Thursday. 50s for highs, 30s and 40s for lows. How about that?